This backpack is the second version of backpacks used in Special Forces. The initial ones we'll see later on was a thick canvas backpack, very heavy in itself. So after Operation Gwari in 1986, we came back and said the other backpack was not sufficient for what we were trying to do. So we designed this, and Staff Sergeant Justin Vermaak was instrumental in designing this. You'll see that the water pouches take a 2-liter water bottle. There's pouches specifically for the cameras we were using at the time, etc., etc. And this is the backpack they are still using in a little bit updated version. But in this backpack, you could carry up to 80 kilos of equipment. And with the reconnaissance people, Colonel Koestadler and Didis and those people, they would often carry 2 backpacks on long missions to do their own logistics. They would walk a short distance with one, come back, pick up the second one. I think in the book of Operation Gwari, if you read about that, you will also know that we carried 2 backpacks in that mission as well because of the logistic implications, the shortage of water in Western Angola. So, but this backpack is a breaker.